Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide. As a part of our APM concept series, in this video we'll see how to simulate network speed on Android emulator with APM. Okay, so it can be done in three ways. Okay, by using capabilities, by using command line, by using UI automator drivers command. Okay, first we'll see by using capability. Okay, in capability I need to specify the network speed. Okay, and by using command line, when I'm starting a emulator I had to use option called hyphen net speed, and I had to specify the speed here. Okay, and by using UIAutomator2 driver command I can use command called mobile colon network speed. Okay, and these are the set of networks we have, that is GSM, edge, LED, EVDO, full. All these things we can specify here, and it has corresponding, this network has corresponding network upload and download speeds, and all the speeds are values is in kbps. Okay, kilobyte per second. Okay, now we'll specify, we'll use these options in our code. Okay, so I have created a sample code here. So what I'll do, I create one class, say as network speed demo. Okay, I create a class called network speed demo, and just I'll copy this setup and tear down methods to save the time. I'll copy here, and just I need to rename the demo package name, and the class name I need to change. Instead of sample I need to rename as network speed demo. Okay, so my setup and tear down activities are completed. Now the first option, see, the first option is by using capabilities. Okay, so coming back to Eclipse. Okay, so here in our capabilities only can specify the network speed. Okay, how we can do it? You can do it in two ways here. So I am using UIAutomator2 options, and I say cap dot, okay, set. This method I had to use set network speed. Okay, in network speed I need to specify the network. Okay, so I can specify the network type here, the speed type. Okay, as we have here. Okay, network speed, that is the GSM. I am using LTE here. Okay, so I can specify the value here. Okay, or so if you are using this type of capabilities, okay, you have created the capability in this way. Okay, you can use like this, cap dot set network speed, or we can use cap dot set capability. Okay, and the capability name we had to provide the network speed. So this capability, the value I need to provide this one, the key. Okay, and the value I need to provide, suppose I am using LTE, I had to provide like this. So you can provide in these two ways. Okay, as per our capability, has a capability design. Okay, so here I can say cap dot network speed. Okay, no need to press specify the network speed key here. Directly I can specify the value here. Okay, if I am using the capability in this way, in this type, okay, I had to use set capability, and I had to use the key called network speed, and the value I had to provide here. Okay, so what we'll see here, this is for LTE. Okay, LTE, and we have one more is that we can use GSM. Okay, this is for GSM, and we have one more value, that is the edge. Okay, so you have to specify these values here, edge. Okay, and you say full, we have full network. Okay, network speed we have, so I have to say full. And we have one more, GPRS. Okay, that is for GPRS. So I can specify the network speed. Any one I have to select here. Any one, not all. Any one I can specify here. Okay. Okay, I can specify like this. Okay, and this is the way we can specify the network speed in the capability itself. Okay, and the second one, okay, so what we are doing, and we are specifying the network speed directly in the command line. Okay, this can be done when you are starting our emulator. Okay, so how we can able to do it? Okay, I have a command prompt here, and I had to type emulator space EVD space and the emulator name. So I am using Pixel 8 Pro here. 8 Pro, and I had to use option called net speed. So here I can specify, I say as edge. Okay, so here in this angular bracket speed, I can specify these values here as mentioned here. Okay, this networks I can specify here. Okay, and if I run here, it will not run because I had to specify this command under this Android SDK emulator, so that all the emulators are stored in this path. Okay, then only this command will run. Okay, but I am showing as a example here. So I had to use option called net speed. Okay, I had to mention the value here. Okay, so edge or GSM. Okay, so I can specify here. Okay, so one more is LTE. Okay, but I had to specify this thing under this path. Okay, local Android SDK emulator, then only this command will work. Okay, and now the third one is by using UIAutomator2 driver command. Okay, we are using command called mobile:network speed. Okay, so we'll see how we can able to use that one. So coming back to our Eclipse, here I had used driver dot execute script and I said okay, and here I had to provide the command called mobile:, okay, space network speed. N is caps here, and the speed should be should be uppercase, network speed. So this is the command I need to provide. Okay, this is a key here, and here I had to use immutable map of dot off and key value pair I had provided. So here the key I need to provide called speed. I had to provide speed. Okay, this is the key I need to provide, and the value I need to provide among this one. Any one value I can provide like this value. Okay, so speed, and if I want LTE, I can specify LTE. Okay, this is the way you can specify the network speed here. Okay, and same, suppose I want for GSM, so I had to use driver execute script. This is not execute, this is script here. Sorry, it is execute script. Okay, not execute script. Let's copy this one. Okay, suppose I want GSM, so I had to use driver.execute script. I had to use a command called mobile:network speed. N is smaller letter and S is the uppercase. I need to provide immutable map of the value. The key should be speed, and the value I can select from this one, from this networks. Okay, from this network I can be able to select it. So here I come back to Eclipse. So I say GSM. Okay, like that I can specify whatever the network I want. Okay, I say is full, so full download and upload speed. Okay, and this is, I will say, speed. I provide the value as edge. Okay, this is for edge, and this is, I say, as EVDO. So I can specify like this. Any one I have to specify. Either you have to specify, see, one more thing you have to remember. Either one we need to specify. Either if I starting my emulator by command line, I can specify by using -netspeed, and I have to provide the value here. Okay, and if I specify here, I should not specify in the capability, and in the by using the mobile network speed command, I should not specify. Only any one way you need to choose. Either when you are starting emulator, I had to specify the network speed. Okay, if I started my network normally, I started my emulator normally. Okay, and I want to use in capability, I had to use in capability. Okay, if I specify in capability, I should not specify here. Okay, either one place we can specify. Okay, suppose I not specify in the when I'm starting emulator. Okay, and in the capability I can specify here. Okay, either one way we have to follow. In these three options, I can specify in any one way, either in the command line or in the capability or in the test by using this mobile:network speed. Okay, so this is a way how we can specify the network speed. Okay, by using capability. Okay, by using command line, by using UIAutomator2 driver command. Okay, and these are the values for the network upload and download speeds. Okay, so based upon requirement, we can choose the network from here. Okay, so basically we use the network LTE. Okay, by when you create an emulator, the basic default network will be LTE. Okay, and if you want, as per our requirement, we can change the network here to specify the speed and upload speed and download speed. Okay, so this is all about this network speed. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.